Hi guys, happy Monday. We made it through our first week of e-learning, and I don't know about you, but for me it was a little bit exhausting, but I think I'm getting the hang of it. All right, so today we're going to start a new idea. We're talking about angles, central angles and inscribed angles. And if you have the note sheet, you can certainly print that off and kind of follow along. I think that's helpful. The first thing I'm going to talk about is not on your note sheet. It's just how you name arcs. Arcs are going to be part of the circle, like this is an arc, and this is an arc, this is an arc. So it's part of the circle, the outside of the circle, but it's not all the way around. It's not a circumference. We have what we call major arcs and minor arcs. Minor arcs are named by two letters. So if I wanted like arc NP, here we go. We put like a little rounded arc above it. If I'm talking about NP, I'm talking from here to here. It is the shortest distance from N to P. If I want a major arc, which means it's more than a semicircle, semicircle obviously is half of a circle. If I want a major arc, I need to use three letters. So if I wanted the arc, let's say major arc NOP, it starts at N and stops at P, but before it gets to P, it goes through O. So I go from N, shortest distance, to O, keeps going until it gets to P. This is a major arc. And again, that's three letters. This is a minor arc. Okay? So those are some of the things you're going to have to know today. So like, let's say, I know that looks sloppy, so I'm just going to erase it. All right. Let's say I was talking about an arc. And I said arc QO. You would know it's smaller than a semicircle. You start at Q and you go the shortest distance to O, so it's right here. Okay, that's a minor arc. If I said I wanted this, let's say arc O, whoops, that's not even an O. ONP. That is, here's O, here's N, here's P. That's actually a semicircle. A semicircle has to use three letters as well, because if I said just OP, I wouldn't know if I meant this side or this side of the circle. Okay, they're both going to be measured. Arcs are measured in degrees like angles. So this measure, if I said what's the measure of ONP, I would say it's 180 degrees. Okay? So that's just some fundamental things you need to know about the lesson we're doing today. Let's quickly go to the next screen. This is in your notes. A central angle, the vertex is at the center of the circle. The relationship is the central angles are equal to the measure of the intercepted arc. Okay, for example, ABC, ABC, remember we use three letters to name an angle. If this, let's say, was 85 degrees, this angle, this arc would also be 85 degrees. Okay, an inscribed angle, the vertex is on the circle. So that's like down here, and the relationship is the inscribed circle is half the measure of the intercepted arc. So this angle obviously looks smaller than this one here. It's going to be half as big. So the measure of this angle will be, what is that? 42.5, I'm thinking. 42.5 degrees, because again, it's half this other angle. All right, that's the first video.